Operation Api Buluh has been launched to clear all the chemical poisonous waste from the factory. Incident of the cracker factory, the bright sparkers been worst history happened in country. The tragedy gave huge impact to the workers, which give them awareness about the importance of how to save, how to have good experience in safety and health in the workplace. This incident also needed to be taken as huge example to employer. Importance of SOP so that the risk of incident can be minimized. The safety issue, it has 6 points. For the first point, the nature of the lab workers who perform work that has been complete to test the fireworks to be sold. Okay, for point number 2, attitudes of employers. During fireworks test is running, the workers are not monitored by the management of the laboratory. Okay, then point number 3, working environment that is not secure have been operating for 13 years but did not have a complete prevention equipment. Okay, number 4, workers negligence. Okay, during testing, the worker ignored the safety instruction and did not do the testing at the designated place. So testing gone wrong, thus creating explosion in a room. For point number 5, poor administration. The factory admin failed to provide proper workplace. The workplace the factory was old and should have been renovated. Question mark were raised whether the factory is licensed or not, and the admin also take many illegal worker. Okay, or lastly, point number 6, poor facilities, lack of proper fire equipment.
In this case study, we can learn that we should apply the ethical principle by following the rules and regulations stated by our country. All employers should give a safe and healthy workplace for all the employees. A workplace should be designed to avoid any accidents from occurring. Management should separate and use a better safe place for testing their dangerous substances. In other hand, in this case study, we also can learn that responsibility for our work is very, very important. Like in this case, the inspection body, they did not make any follow-up inspection to make sure that the company did a very good procedure. They also did not learn from the Bhopal disasters that had happened before.
Okay, now I'm going to talk about nature and issues involved in safety case. The bright sparklers fireworks fire occurred in Sungai Buloh, Selangor, Malaysia on 7th May 1991. The bright sparklers fireworks factory in Sungai Buloh, Selangor caught fire and caused a huge explosion. 26 people were killed and over 100 people were injured in the disaster. The explosion was strong enough to rip off roofs of some local houses and ended up damaging over 200 residential properties. The tragedy is believed to have been caused by explosive chemical spill during an experiment in the canteen of the factory. The chemicals touched off fires that rapidly spread to a nearby pile of large firecrackers known as the bazookas. This in turn set off the chain of explosions that ripped apart the factory and nearby buildings, including the factory and nearby Kampung Baru Sungai Buloh.